Man, I really can't believe that they made me start all the way in the back. Like, come on, this is literally discrimination against the great chick Hicks himself, and I am having none of it. Bro, chick, stop waving yourself. This wasn't kind of racist. Shut up, Manny. No one cares about you. Okay, that is like the weakest insult anyone has told me. Oh. Anyhow, surely we can get to this out one way or another. Let's do this.
Oh, hey, this is perfect. We're almost to the top. Huh? Hey, what are you doing, man? Bro, hey, why let me just be past you?
Because, chick, you're always being mean to me at school. Okay? Well, listen here, Atkins. I am the great chick Hicks, and you will do as I say. What? Chick. I don't go to the crap with someone like you.
Okay, then. Well, since you're gonna disobey me, take this.
Yes, victory shall be mine. All right, chick, you're coming with me. Whoa, hey, what are you doing, man? Put me down. Ow.